Hello everyone. Today let us see what are the activities which we can do for the cognitive development of the child. Cognitive development is nothing but developing the intellectual abilities of the children. This can be done using various activities. Primarily it can be with the reading book to the child. While reading the book to the child, we can use several ways. Either it can be reading with the narration or explanation or pointing out to the pictures. So that is one of the way. The second one is about active communication with the child, talking to the child, listening to the child, at the same time playing with the child. Every day you can, when you play with the child, lot of emotional bonding also which happens, which helps in learning ability of the child as well. So there are while playing also there are a lot of toys which will help in the intellectual development of the child. It can be building blocks, puzzles, stacking tumblers. So there are various toys which are available, age appropriate toys available for the intellectual development of the child. So as much as possible try clapping for the child, praising the child with a variation in it, rather than trying to correct the child when the child is playing with all these intellectual related toys. Let the child explore. That will help in the cognitive development of the child. Along with this, you can give an experience in terms of all the sensorial development of the child being considered. It can be seeing, visual, auditory, or touch, smell, feel. So all sensory organs related activities also helps in the cognitive development of the child. Hope you have got some information related with the activities to develop the cognitive development of the child. Our other videos have activities related with the physical, emotional, social, language. Enjoy watching our videos. Thanks for watching.